The 3 mA cross alert V2 forex indicator for MT4 is a popular trend indicator with alerts based on the crossover of 3 moving averages. The indicator is composed of a faster, medium and slower moving average. Key points. A buy alert will occur when the faster moving average crosses both the medium and slower moving average upwards. A sell alert will occur when the faster moving average crosses both the medium and slower moving average downwards. Moving Average Alert Indicator is a free MT4/MT5 indicator that you can download here and use in your MetaTrader to receive notifications via email, mobile app, and in the platform when a moving average crosses the price. What is Moving Average Indicator? Moving Average Indicator is one of the most basic technical indicators used in trading. Moving average is also commonly known as MA. You can see a moving average on the chart represented by a line. The value of a moving average, in its simplest calculation, is the average of the close price over a number of previous candles. Moving Average Alert Indicator MetaTrader platform includes moving average among the built-in indicators. However, it comes without any notification feature. In many cases, it is useful to be notified when the price crosses its moving average. You can benefit from this alert in both trend following and trend reversal strategies. To gain the missing feature, you can download our free Moving Average Alert Indicator. This indicator lets you receive alerts when the price crosses its moving average. You can receive notifications via email, mobile app on screen. Moving Average Alert Indicator source code. If you are interested in alert indicators, you can use the source code of the present Moving Average Alert Indicator for your further development. Additionally, you can inspect the code of our alert indicator template, which was used as a foundation for this indicator. The Moving Average Crossover Alert Indicator is a free MT4 indicator that you can download here and use in your MetaTrader to get alerts when 2 moving averages cross. These notifications are given through mobile app, email, and also on the trading screen. These are sent out as soon as 2 moving averages cross each other. What is the moving average? One of the most fundamental aspects of technical analysis is the moving average. Simply said, a moving average is an average that is calculated using the prices of the most recent number of candles. There is a need for a certain number of candles. The moving average of the price over the previous 10 candles is one example of a moving average with a period of 10. The following are some of the reasons why moving averages are so common. They may reduce the amount of noise, which would lead to a more consistent price movement. Help identify emerging patterns and trends. Help identify changes in the direction of an existing trend. Moving averages have the drawback of being lagging indicators, which means they lag behind the price and usually make suggestions that are too late. This is a negative since moving averages are useful in identifying trends. They are evaluated rather often in combination with other signs or price movements since they are such a fundamental instrument. What is the Moving Average Crossover Indicator Alert on MT4? Moving Average Crossover Indicator Alert is a MetaTrader feature that alerts you when 2 moving averages cross each other. The Moving Average Crossover Indicator shows 2 moving averages on the screen. Many trading techniques rely on moving average crossovers for entry and exit signals. In a histogram chart, a MACD indicator indicates crossings. This indicator shows moving averages. For example, a crossing between 2 distinct period moving averages might suggest a trend reversal. You can read about the zero lag MACD here. Although the MetaTrader platform has a moving average as one of its indicators, there is no crossover notification tool available for use with it. Receiving a notification in certain moving average crossover situations may be advantageous in various contexts since these occurrences often provide trading opportunities. This warning may be useful to you in terms of both trend following and trend reversal strategies. You may help make up for this lack of capability by downloading the Moving Average Crossover Alert Indicator for MetaTrader 4 and 5. When certain conditions are satisfied, this indicator will send you a notification. You may get notifications by utilizing any one of the following methods. On the go with your email, push notifications on the mobile app on screen. What does Forex Indicator mean? A Forex indicator is a statistical tool that currency traders use to make judgments about the direction of a currency pair's price action.